Hi guys, I'm here at NITK Surathkal. If you have to give me 3 recommendations from the college canteen, what will that be?
Okay, so food court mein I have pav bhaji, that's like really yum. Cheese Maggie at Nescafe.
Cheese Maggie at Nescafe is really good.
Maggie from Suprabha.
Of course, Maggie's like nice. I think everybody's saying Maggie.
Really?
Boys canteen ke block 7 se I love the plate shawarma.
Eat shawarma from Block 7.
Of course, plate shawarma you have to eat here.
Cheese sandwich from Deepak.
The cheese sandwich at Deepak is really good.
Samosa at Suprabha.
From FC, like personally, I like ghee roast masala dosa.
Bahar there's a chaat ka shop, so you get good pani puri there, so you can have that.
I'll ask you a couple of questions about your college. If you had to describe your college in 3 words, what will those 3 words be?
First should obviously be the beach. It's the one different thing about our college.
Busy, hot weather.
Garmi, it's always hot here. A lot of garmi, a lot of pasina.
For me, it has been Genesis. Genesis is the dance crew of NITK.
Fun, a lot of studying.
A lot of boys.
Friends, you'll make some lifelong friends over here.
A lot of perfume bottles getting over. Wow.
According to you, what are the top 3 hangout spots in NITK?
Suprabha, food court and behind sports complex.
The top floor of PhD building is quite nice.
So there's this lane, that's the lovers lane where we have all the cute couples coming.
First would obviously be the beach. Watching the sunset at the beach is just a different feeling altogether. I think सबने beach बोला होगा तो मैं beach नहीं बोलती हूँ. We have our DC room where we practice our dance. So it's not that great, but yeah, you can chill there.
सोच के तो आया था कि बीच है, कॉलेज आ जाता है, पर बीच जाना ही नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
Behind the auditorium as well.
Everything happens behind, I feel. Every hangout spot is behind.
Sneaky.
Honestly, walking anywhere in this campus because it's so green at night is just an amazing feeling.
But it's hot.
But it's hot, yeah. That won't change.
Yeah, our alumni are pretty famous. We should probably ask them for internships instead of struggling like this.
Hi guys, I'm here at NITK Surathkal. If you had to tell me famous alumni from your college, do you know of any?
KL Rahul, his father was professor in NITK, so he studied in NITK school.
The founder of Pink Villas from NITK.
Alumni in our college have done some crazy things. We have Sahil Barua, who's the founder of Delivery.
Founder of Zepto is also from NITK.
People from the 96 batch who are like directors of NVIDIA. And Practo's founder was from our college.
And he used to play for the Karnataka team. He has played in this cricket ground of college. KSC is one of the tournament where he has played in this ground only. In one of his story also he has posted NITK while coming over there.
People from our college have done some crazy things.
How do you currently invest in yourself financially, mentally or emotionally?
Having a proper sleep schedule, talking to new people, making friends.
Financially, I have mutual funds because I am a very responsible adult now. Mentally, I am a dancer, so I spend some time during the week or the weekend going, attending a workshop or just dancing in my room. And physically, I think my dance helps with the same as well.
I like invest in almost everything. Mentally, I am mindful. Financially, I create content, so yeah, I'm trying to be there.
What's one way students can better invest in themselves during college?
Wake up early. I think it's really important to wake up early.
Do everything possible in campus, try out new things. Don't miss out on anything.
You can read more books, be more mindful and grateful for and just be present and maybe start something, to build their future. Yeah.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been a G.